Welcome to the Greek islands, where the sun shines brighter and the sea is a deeper blue. Among these islands, one stands out, Santorini. Part of the Cyclades, Santorini forms a striking crescent in the Aegean Sea. Its white villages perch atop dramatic cliffs, overlooking a vast sea-filled volcanic crater. This is a place that looks like a postcard, but it's very real. Getting here is part of the adventure. Arrive by ferry for a dramatic approach, or fly in for a bird's-eye view. From the moment you arrive, you sense a unique energy, a blend of ancient history and modern relaxation. The air is warm, scented with salt and flowers, and you might spot donkeys on winding paths. Santorini invites you to slow down and soak in the beauty all around. The island's magic is woven from its volcanic geology, rich history, and welcoming people. The famous sunset draws visitors from around the world, painting the sky in brilliant colors. Each evening, crowds gather to watch the sun dip below the horizon, a daily reminder to savor life's simple moments. As we explore, we'll uncover Santorini's secrets, its villages, its sea, and the stories hidden in its rocks. We'll see how a powerful volcano created one of the world's most beautiful places, and we'll discover how people have built their lives on the edge of this dramatic landscape. So pack your sun hat and your sense of wonder. Our journey into the heart of Santorini is about to begin. Let's explore this jewel of the Aegean Sea and discover what makes it unforgettable. The adventure starts now. Are you ready? Let's go. To understand Santorini, we must look into its volcanic past. Around 1600 BC, a massive eruption shattered the island, creating the caldera we see today. The cliffs are the ancient volcano's walls, layered with red, black, and grey rock, each a record of fiery events. The volcanic soil is surprisingly fertile, perfect for unique grapes and tomatoes. This eruption is even linked to the legend of Atlantis, with the ancient city of Akrotiri buried and preserved in ash. Archaeologists have uncovered streets, buildings, and frescoes, an ancient world frozen in time. The volcano shaped both the land and its history, creating beauty and destruction. Today, the volcano sleeps, but reminders remain. Nea Kameni and Palea Kameni, islands formed by recent eruptions. You can walk on Nea Kameni, feel the warm ground, and smell sulfur, a reminder that the earth here is alive. The volcano's legacy is everywhere, giving Santorini its breathtaking landscape. Every view, every stone tells the story of fire and rebirth. This is the heart of Santorini's magic. The island's past is always present. Fira, perched on the caldera's edge, is Santorini's lively capital. Its whitewashed buildings and blue accents mirror the sea below, creating iconic Cycladic beauty. The town is a maze of cobblestone streets, bustling squares, and quiet terraces with stunning views. Fira is built for walking. Be ready for winding stairways and steep paths. You can reach it by mule, cable car, or a climb up nearly 600 steps from the old port. The journey is part of the experience, offering panoramic vistas at every turn. Fira is home to museums like the Museum of Prehistoric Thera, showcasing artifacts from ancient Akrotiri. As evening falls, cliffside restaurants and bars fill with people eager to watch the sky change colors. Fira blends culture, shopping, dining, and unforgettable views. It's a place to explore, relax, and soak in the island's vibrant energy. Every visit is a new adventure. Fira is the beating heart of Santorini. Oia, at Santorini's northern tip, is world famous for its sunset and its charm. Marble streets, pastel sea captains' homes, and blue-domed churches create the island's most iconic scene. Oia is quieter and more romantic than Fira, perfect for wandering and discovery. Art galleries, boutique shops, and hidden cafes line the cliffside paths. As sunset approaches, crowds gather at the old castle ruins for the best view. The sky erupts in color, and when the sun disappears, applause often follows. After dark, Oia glows with warm lights and a peaceful ambience. Enjoy dinner in a cliffside restaurant, or descend to a moody bay for fresh seafood by the water. Oia captures the romantic spirit of Santorini, by day and by night. It's a place to savor every moment. The magic here lingers long after the sun sets. To truly experience Santorini's geography, take to the water. A boat tour of the caldera reveals the island's scale. Villages perched high above, cliffs plunging into deep blue sea. The first stop, near Kameni, where you can walk on an active volcano, feel the warm earth, and smell sulfur in the air. Next, Palia Kameni's hot springs offer a natural spa. Swim in mineral-rich waters said to soothe the skin. Some tours stop at Therasia, a quieter island with traditional charm. The day often ends with sunset viewed from the water, cliffs silhouetted against a glowing sky. A boat tour is more than sightseeing. It's a journey into Santorini's volcanic heart. The landscape tells a story of creation and transformation. Every wave, every rock is part of that story. This is Santorini from a new perspective. The caldera's beauty is unforgettable. The adventure is pure magic. Don't miss it. For hikers, Santorini's Fira to Oya trail is a must. This 10-kilometer path hugs the caldera rim, offering breathtaking views at every turn. The route passes through Firostefani and Imerovigli, quieter villages with stunning vistas. Imerovigli, the balcony of the Aegean, is the highest point on the caldera's edge. Beyond the villages, the trail becomes rugged and peaceful, dotted with white chapels. The hike takes 3 to 5 hours. Bring water, a hat, and sunscreen. Arriving in Oya on foot feels like a true accomplishment. Reward yourself with a cold drink and a front row seat for the sunset. This walk is more than exercise. It's a journey through Santorini's best landscapes and culture. Every step is a new discovery. The views are unforgettable. The experience is pure Santorini. Santorini's beaches are unlike any other in Greece. Thanks to its volcanic origins, the island boasts red, white, and black sand beaches. The red beach, near Akrotiri, is backed by towering rust-colored cliffs and dark pebbles, perfect for photos and snorkeling. The white beach, surrounded by brilliant white cliffs, is smaller and more secluded, best reached by boat. The water here is crystal clear, reflecting the bright cliffs. Most common are the black sand beaches, like Perissa and Perivolos, lined with sunbeds, cafes, and lively beach bars. The black volcanic sand gets hot, so sandals are a must. Each beach tells a story of Santorini's fiery past. Whether you seek dramatic scenery or a lively atmosphere, there's a beach for you. The colors are unforgettable. The experience is unique to Santorini. Every shoreline is a new adventure. Dive in and explore. The island's beaches are a highlight of any visit. Santorini's wild side is full of surprises. The dry, rocky landscape is home to small lizards and geckos, perfectly adapted to the sun-baked terrain. The island's cliffs and skies attract migratory birds. Watch for gulls and shearwaters gliding over the caldera. The real biodiversity lies beneath the waves. The Aegean Sea teems with life dolphins, octopuses, colorful fish, and, if you're lucky, sea turtles or monk seals. The volcanic underwater landscape is perfect for diving and snorkeling, with clear water and dramatic rock formations. Exploring Santorini's nature, on land and in the sea, adds a new dimension to your adventure. The island's wildlife is subtle but fascinating. Every encounter is a reminder of nature's resilience. Santorini's wild side is waiting to be discovered. Don't miss it. Our journey through Santorini reveals a land of dramatic beauty and contrasts. Born from fire and shaped by the sea, every view here is a masterpiece. From Fira's lively streets to Oya's romantic sunsets, Santorini leaves a lasting impression. The island's history is written in its cliffs, tasted in its wine, and felt in its volcanic warmth. Santorini is more than landscapes. It's about savoring life's simple pleasures. Enjoy fresh seafood by the water, relax on a black sand beach, and share awe as the sun sets. This island invites you to slow down and create memories that last a lifetime. If you dream of beauty without bounds, where history is alive and every day ends with a natural work of art, Santorini is waiting. It's more than a destination, it's an inspiration. Come for romance, adventure, or relaxation. This jewel of the Aegean will not disappoint. Pack your bags and discover the magic for yourself. Santorini is paradise found. Your adventure awaits.